Mr. Mark, got your 16 pill here. You're saying you smelt something and just didn't work. Well, took the screws out already. Let's take a look at this. So when I looked at this earlier, okay, that guy's burnt, right? Burnt. So there's a dark spot right there. There's one right in there. Transistor is burnt right there. That one's obviously burnt. And that one, focus. There's some char marks on the bottom of it. So I also noticed that this guy over here, it's got a little dark spot up underneath of it. Okay. And we got that one right there, that dark spot too. So got some carnage going back here too. Now, what I did notice is that your relay, let's see if I can zoom in here. See how that's not sitting flush? You have a pointing tool here. See how that's just not sitting flush on the contact pads? There and there. That can cause some of this going on. I know you said you had an SWR issue. So, yeah. Combined, I'm sure that's part of your issue right there, bud. So let's put some pills in here, and we're going to go from there. Now I'm going to add 4 resistors there. So nope. Let's put some, out with the old, in with the new, and we'll come back with a update. We'll be back. Alrighty, and we're back. So, I want to show you your relay. Looks like to me, someone got the tabs a little too hot at one point. So we got a fresh one in there. It's nice and flat, making great contact on both sides. So we're going to be using the Cobra 29, the Bench 29, and the 2-pill driver. Okay, here is pass-through tune through the box. Hello 1 2. Hello radio. It's pass-through tune with the 2-pill driver. Here's what we're putting in for power. 1000 watt slug and average. 1000 watt slug and peak. We're down on 5x. Matter of fact, here we'll go to 1x. I'll show you peak power for the driver. Hello audio. So we're gonna dump about 300 watts peak into it. Here is the average power. Hello audio. About 110-ish RMS. Alright. So now we're going to drop this down into 5x, because 16 pill is going to go well over 1000 watts peak. So now we're going to turn that guy on. Alright, fan's working nice. Okay, here's input tune. Hello audio, check 1 2. Beautiful under a watt, 5 watt slug, always into the dummy load. Okay. Bring that dead key down. So we're gonna dead key 500 watts. Go audio in the corner. 1000 watt slug peak down on 5x, middle scale 50 is 5000 watts. Audio check 1 2. So we're at 3500 peak watts. Audio check. Audio. Audio. Ooh. Ooh, audio. Ooh, audio. Looking good. Looking good. Looking grand. So, Mr. M, your box is completed, sir. So, we shall, see. Do I'm gonna send you one of these along with the box back. So, enjoy. Thanks everybody for watching. Don't be afraid to send me a message. I'm here to help. So you guys have a good one. Click.